So here's the Dropshot rig we have here. Now I'm going to show you how to make a Dropshot rig. I use this rig for fishing for flounder, fluke, weakie, all kind of fish. And I'll give you a quick look at my rod and reel setup at the end of the video. So what I'm doing is I'm pulling my main line out right from my rod and reel. No swivel. So at the end of my fishing line, I'm going to fold my line over like that. And I'm going to make a regular overhand double knot. Make that loop and put this loop through here once. Then put it through again. Cut your tag. Now this is a basic surgeon's knot, and this is where the fishing weight will go. Put the loop of the surgeon's knot through the eye of the sinker and bring the loop over the weight like that. That's all you do. Now when I cast this out or drop it off my boat, I'm just tapping the bottom like that. Bottom fishing. This also can be removed at any time. If you get your rig wrapped in a net, or you want to change your weight size, goes right back on. Now we're going to attach the hook. I'm going to come up about 12 inches to tie a knot for my hook. The knot I will be tying here is a T-knot. And the way to do that is you fold your line over. Now you're going to start out by making a surgeon's loop knot. Put this loop through here twice. Now you're going to wet your line and pull that tight. Now this surgeon's loop knot here does not have a tag line to cut, like this one. Now to make a T-knot, I'm going to put the surgeon's loop knot here and reach over on both sides and make an X like that with the loop underneath it. Now I'm going to wrap these two lines around each other 5 times. Now I'm going to put that surgeon's loop knot in the middle of these two lines. Now I'm going to make sure that the knot on the surgeon's loop comes right through these two lines we wrapped around each other. Wet your line and pull each end. Now we're going to attach our weight and hook. At the bottom, we're going to put our surgeon's loop knot through the eye of the sinker. Bring it over the weight and pull it up. That can be removed anytime if you need to change your weight. Now for the T-knot loop, same thing. Put the loop through the eye of the hook. Bring it over the fishing hook and pull it up. So here's the drop shot rig we have here. There's no swivel. T-knot here for the hook. 12 inches down. Got a surgeon's loop knot with the sinker. You're bouncing this off the bottom. You got a minnow on a hook. You're catching flounder and all kind of stuff. We have a Cast King bait caster reel on an Ugly Stick GX2.